Step-by-step Hussarya air conditioning systems. User control guide. Using the Hussarya control panel is quick and easy. Number 1. Tap menu, then weekly timer setting. Number 2. Press enable schedule. Check which schedule is currently selected. Number 3. Tap schedule setting, then the schedule. It's time to enter your desired settings. Number 4. Tap the first day you want to edit. Push the list in the center of the screen. Number 5. Click panel 1 to enter a setting. Number 6. Select operation time. Set the start time for your Hussarya unit. Number 7. Select on/off. Set the unit on so that it runs at the indicated time. Number 8. Select mode. Set the desired function. Number 9. Select set temperature. Choose your desired temperature. Number 10. Use the remaining panels to fill your plan. Number 11. Copy and paste the settings to your remaining days. You can set unique times for each day if required. Number 12. Go back through the menu and tap Monitor. The schedule is now set and being followed.